So I lied to you? It was an accident. You have to give me that. I had full intentions of doing this thing that I said I would do, and I still will do it. It's just gonna take a little longer. And since I lied to you, I have an unboxing to make up for it, and it's an item that if you love it, you'll have the chance to purchase it at a very good price. So stick around and I'll tell you what I lied to you about accidentally and what's in this box that you might wanna buy. Let's see. Oh, and we're gonna try this that I found at the grocery store. It's a pink lemonade margarita. My hopes are not high, but we're going to try it anyway. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel's all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel, besides pleasure of my, trying to think of an adverb, it's not working, my blank personality, you fill that in for yourself. Let me know what you filled it in with in the comment section below. Or maybe don't. Depends on what adverb you pick. What was I saying? One of the perks of subscribing to my channel is that you get to see my community posts on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, rare finds related to these things we love. So yes, I lied to you. It was accidental. In my last video on Saturday, I said that in my next video, which would be this video, that I would talk about how to cull down your collection, or how to decide how many bags you really need or would really carry. And I am going to do that hopefully in the next video on Thursday, but I'm just not ready for it yet. I have made about half of the notes that I need for it, and I haven't had time to do the other half, and I'm filming now at almost 6 o'clock on Sunday night. I try to do all my filming over the weekends, but this weekend has gotten away from me for a number of reasons. So I'm filming this unboxing for you instead, and sending my very sincerest apologies to those of you who were looking forward to that video being today. But it is coming, I promise. Before we get to that, I want to try. I went to the grocery store yesterday and I found this pink lemonade margarita. They also had a regular margarita that I picked up. I haven't tried that yet either. They had pina colada, something mudslide, Russian mudslide, New Orleans mudslide, something like that, and a couple other things that I wasn't interested in, but I picked up the pink lemonade and the regular one. So we're gonna try the pink lemonade, and this will connect to what is in this box. Yes, it will. And I don't have high hopes for this, and it doesn't say anything on the bottle about what's in here, but the display that it was on said that it includes the tequila and the triple sec. Bottoms up. It smells, oh, they had a skinny Rita too. I almost tried that one, but I've tried those before. They're okay. This smells like one of the skinny ones that I've tried before, but it's not supposed to be one of those. It doesn't really smell like a margarita, a real margarita. No. Oh no, that's not good. It immediately tastes like sugar, which is not what a margarita is supposed to taste like. Oh no. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I got a cup and some Topo Chico. If you don't know Topo Chico, it's a sparkling mineral water, which I very much need to wash down strange, sugary, and something else taste. I don't even know how to describe the other flavor. Now, if they had called that like pink sugar drink, that would be more accurate, but it's not a margarita. Just to show you the bottle again, it's by a brand called Chi-Chi's. I don't think I mentioned that earlier. I could see that with a bunch of ice in it sitting by the pool maybe, or if it was slushy frozen. I'm gonna start unboxing this now, but no, not drinking it straight like that. Even cold, it's cold, it's still, All right, oh, this is a purchase from The RealReal. I did a thing. The RealReal had a sale recently, and you're gonna hear me explain this again in some other videos over the next few weeks, because I wasn't intending for this to be the first item that I show you from that sale. Their sales, they often have a 20% discount code that applies to a lot of their products. Some things it doesn't, but it'll say that on the product listing. Their sales aren't really sales on items at the time. Their sales tend to be spend a certain amount this weekend, or whatever the dates are, and if you spend different amounts, you can earn different credits, like store credits, that will give you in a few weeks to spend on more things. I purchased several things and was able to get some credit that I'll get through an email via, it'll be like a discount code that I can enter to get the credit off in the cart. And I spent enough to get a $200 credit. Yay, I spent quite a bit. Here's inside the box. This is a handbag, and let me pull it out here. It has the receipt with it. And I was scrolling through some of the different brands that I tend to buy, and this bag came up. Let me tell you a tip about the Real Real, and it's not an easy tip to use, especially if you're looking for something in particular, but it's good to know at least. And this tip is, the Real Real, I won't say very often, but often enough that it happens quite a bit, they will list things incorrectly. This bag was listed under the correct brand name, but it was listed as a different bag. And because of that, it was listed quite a bit lower than it should have been. So I snatched it up. Sometimes I've seen items that are listed as a completely different brand. And when they make mistakes like this, if there's an item that you're interested in, take advantage of it. If it says it's a final sale item and you get the item and it's not what you were thinking it was, you can tell them, hey, the listing was wrong. This isn't what I thought it was. And you can send it back even though it said it was final sale. But if you get lucky, it'll be what you think it is, but they listed it wrong and you could get a really, really incredible deal. Like, I saw an Hermes piece once that was listed as a Kate Spade piece. It was an item that should have been about $200 and it was listed as $40. So things like that happen. All right, here's the piece. And I saw this and I thought, that's a great deal, and I bet some of my subscribers would love that. And I wanted to snatch it up before someone else found it and then offer it to you guys. So this is an unboxing and a vlog sale, but just for this one item. So this is available if any of you are interested in it. Let me grab the handles here. And I would love to keep it myself, except it's not a color that I generally wear. It's a very pretty color combination. Where's the other handle? It's supposed to have two handles and I'm only getting one of them. It's a pretty color that I would love to have in my wardrobe. I just know myself well enough because I've tried this color before. I know I won't wear it. So I'm gonna pass the savings on to you. Here's the handle. Any ideas? Let me fix the clasp here. That's undone. Why would someone undo that? It is the Rebecca Minkoff Edie bag, and it's in the larger of the two sizes. It's in a pink. It's a mauvey pink. I thought it was going to be more of a baby pink. Let me hold it up next to this disgusting pink cocktail. Can you even see that very well? Like, the cocktail is a brighter pink. This pink, do I even have anything pink to be able to compare it to? Hold on, let me see. I want to make sure you have an accurate idea of what this color is. I'm back. I really do not have a lot of pink stuff, but here's this little pink pouch from Dress Up Your Purse. And I do have a discount code for Dress Up Your Purse, so I will link that below. But let me hold this up against this bag so you can see the difference. You see how the bag is more of a mauvey pink? It's very pretty, and it has the gold accents. The Edie comes in two sizes as a shoulder bag. This is the largest of those two sizes. This is the size that I love the most. Let me look this over and see if there's any wear to it that you would need to know about. Oh, and it's in a glazed, crinkled calfskin, you can see. I have the burgundy bag just like this, the same leather. I love it. All right, the only wear that I see to it is right there. You can see a little scratch on the hardware, and on the inside of the same grommet there's some scratching, I think you can see there, but otherwise it looks very clean and good. And I know since I started showing the Edie bags on my channel that a lot of you have tried them out and you love them as much as I do. I thought you might appreciate me picking this up for you and seeing if anybody wanted it, like passing on the savings. So I'm asking $150 for it, and that would include ground shipping to the United States. And if you're interested, email me. It's autumnbeckman@gmail.com. and I'll put my email in the description box so you're sure you have it all spelled correctly. And it'll go to the first person who pays within 24 hours, and I'll get it shipped out this week. So let me show you the bag in case you're not familiar with it. This clip here is just decorative. You can unclip it, but it has nothing to do with opening the bag. You open it with quite a strong magnet. It looks like this on the inside. It's sort of a linen canvas kind of fabric lined in the leather. It has these two compartments. This does come with the dust bag as well, which is nice. So it has these two big compartments, very clean inside. It has a zipped compartment in the middle, which is handy for storing wallet that you want to keep secure or keys that you want to make sure you know where they are when you stick your hand in the bag. And then it also has a zipped pocket on the back wall here. This bag, I started buying these and I have 5 in my collection right now. And this bag reminds me a lot of the YSL Lulu in the look of it. Like here it is from the side, and it holds quite a bit. I have several videos on these I can link below. It has the Rebecca Minkoff little tag there. And then it has this huge back pocket, which none of the other bags that remind me of Lulu have, except the Rebecca Minkoff Edie's. And there's the big back pocket. It has the magnetic closure. And here's the bottom of the bag. And you can wear it as a shoulder bag with the strap doubled, or you can pull it and have a crossbody bag. So let me model that for you real quick. Okay, so here it is as a shoulder bag. And I'm 5'3", and I'll leave the tags on it for you. Just tuck that one in there. So that's what it looks like on the shoulder. And then as a longer shoulder bag, looks like that. And then it easily becomes a crossbody like that. So it's a great little bag. It's very stylish. It's very functional. You can wear it several different ways. It's affordable, and it's very well made. I have been impressed with the quality of the Rebecca Minkoff bags that I have. Oh, I do have 6 Edie's because I added the maxi size too. I love that one as well. But you guys have also told me that since you've started trying these bags that you're impressed with the quality also. I don't think I've had anybody say anything bad about these. They're fabulous bags. So if you're interested, email me, let me know, and we will work something out. Whoever wants to buy it, I'll send you an invoice through PayPal. That's the only way that I accept payment for things from people that I don't know. And that's that. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you back here next time, and hopefully my video will be the one about culling down your collection. I should be ready for that next time. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.